Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this video, I am going to tell you how to delete anything in your Mac. It can be a folder, it can be a photo, it can be a document, it can be anything. I am going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now let me tell you that there are few ways by which you can delete anything in your Mac. Let's start with the basic one. Suppose if I want to delete this folder, all I'm going to do is tap on that folder. I'm going to right click on the trackpad, or if I tap with two fingers on trackpad, it will give me a screen like this. Here I can select move to bin option. What it will do is it will delete the file from my Mac and it will send it to bin. This was the first method. Another one is select the file which you want to delete. After selecting the file, just go and select file option on the menu bar and go down and select move to bin option. Now if you select move to bin, you can see the file is deleted from desktop and it is available in bin. Now if you want to delete this file permanently, again select this file or folder and tap on this empty option. You will get a pop-up screen like this. If you select empty bin, this file or folder will be deleted permanently. Now if in case you want to put back that file, or if you want that file back in your Mac, select it, right click and then select put back option, and you can see the file was in bin, but now it is again available on my Mac. So these are the two methods. Now the next method is we are going to use keyboard shortcut. So suppose this time let me select any other file. So if I want to delete this video, I'm going to select that and we are going to use keyboard shortcut, which is command plus delete. The video is deleted from Mac, but still it is present in bin. Now let me put this back just to show you another method, and that is if you want to delete a particular file permanently without sending it to bin, then in that case all you have to do is just select the file or document which you want to delete, and this time you have to press option command and delete. Now it will give you a pop-up screen like this. Are you sure you want to delete video? If you select delete option, the video is deleted from my Mac and you can see it is not present in bin. So that file is permanently deleted from my Mac. This is another keyboard shortcut. Now talking about the next method, that is you can simply drag and drop it to bin if you want to delete anything. Suppose if I want to delete this folder, just click and hold it and drag it to bin and leave it. You can see the file is or the folder is gone. Now the next thing is if you want to delete multiple files or folders at the same time, then in that case you can just simply select the folders. Either you can select like this or you can press shift and then select file or folder one by one, right? So if you want to delete multiple files, after selecting the file or folder, press option command and delete to delete it permanently, or press command press delete and the file or folders will be deleted and you can check out that in bin. Again, if you want to empty bin, select this empty option. So yeah, this is how simple it is to delete anything from your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.